Hey, bud. Hey, Thomas. Okay, let's go feed Crystal. Where's Crystal? What is she doing? What? I can't hear you. What? You need something? You need some food? Is that a yes? Is that a yes? Come here. Let's get you some food. Here. There you go. There you go. What do you want? What do you want? What are you doing? Crystal. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Where's Penny? Where's the Penny? What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on, let's go see Star. Come on. Come on. Quit shaking that head. You quit shaking that head. Did you see Star? There she is. There's Star. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, Star. Hey. Hey. What are you doing? Where's Penny? Where'd Penny go? Penny, what are you doing? You ready to go? You ready to go? Let's go get in the car. Come on. Look at that face. Hey, pretty girl. All right, let's go, Pen. Come on. Bye, Star. Ready to get in the car? Let's put Crystal's cup up. All right, come on, Pen. Come on. Penny. There's nothing over there. Come on. Let's go. You going? You going with me? All right, get in. Get in. All right, let me slide in. Ready to ride? Are you ready to ride? Huh? Say hello. Hello.